Hi, I'm Dr. Hampton Howell, board certified plastic surgeon at Salem Plastic Surgery, and I wanted to talk about just that, board certification. It's a very confusing topic for a lot of people who are not in the medical field, because someone can claim to be a cosmetic surgeon, and to a potential patient who doesn't know the difference, that all may sound similar from one cosmetic surgeon to another cosmetic surgeon. But I really cannot overstress the importance of finding a cosmetic surgeon that is a board certified plastic surgeon by the appropriate board, and that's the American Board of Plastic Surgery. There are some avenues out there where someone can get like an academy of cosmetic surgery where there's really very minimal qualifications that are required to be a part of that, yet that person technically can still call themselves a cosmetic surgeon. The American Board of Plastic Surgery is what we would all consider to be the authoritative certifying body, certifying board, that really puts all of us who are board certified under a really rigorous process to ensure really kind of the highest standards of care. So for me, being board certified, I've had to go through an accredited general surgery training program as well as a plastic surgery training program. A lot of those are now combined these days, which is a much more efficient way of doing things. Then we have to do a series of examinations. We have to do written examinations to get kind of our written boards. We have to collect cases and present in front of people who are really experienced plastic surgeons for an oral board examination where I am talking to them directly, and they're basically questioning me about my decisions and everything to make sure that I am a good surgeon, a good person, making sound surgical decisions. And then we have to maintain certification as we go along. So I have to do yearly activities of maintaining continuous medical education, which is CME. I have to do periodic examinations to show that I have a knowledge base and that I'm keeping current with current practices. We do our surgeries here in our office, for instance, for a lot of our cosmetic procedures, and I have to certify every year, for instance, that I am in a certified operating room. So like our operating room even has to go through a very rigorous certification program with in-house visits to make sure that everything we're doing is, again, held at the highest standard. So I would encourage you to make sure that if you're considering having a plastic surgery procedure done, that you look for a surgeon that is board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, that again, that is kind of your assurance that that surgeon has gone through that rigorous process of training and examination as well as continued education, so that you basically know what you're getting to a certain degree. Along with that, make sure that you have a good rapport with your surgeon, make sure you like their results, make sure that you are cohesive with that surgeon. But the board certification really is an important one, and there's a lot of confusion out there. So I hope that's helpful. We'd love to see you. Take care.